Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about what are some Lethal Company's best mods to download. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. So here are some of the best mods you should get or try out in Lethal Company. Starting off with number 1 is the Bigger Lobby mod. Bigger Lobby allows you to play with up to 40 other players in a lobby. And yes, it is as chaotic and fun as it sounds. And yes, it does make the game slightly easier because you have more players running around staying alive with a low chance of failing a run. Now, if you want to find the perfect mod to pair together with a bigger lobby, Brutal Company is up next on the list. Brutal Company makes the game so much more harder. So not really recommended to play with just 4 people, but if you have more than, let's say 10 from bigger lobby, then this is the perfect mod. A great thing about this mod as well is that the host of the lobby only needs to download this mod, so other players joining in doesn't need to download it, which makes this mod all the easier to play with other people with. Now on the third stage, I would like to introduce the Lethal Fashion mod. It is not much, but it spices the game up without breaking the game in any way, unlike most other mods. So what it actually does is that it immediately unlocks 3 of the other spacesuits to be available in the hangar of your ship for you to equip. Oh, and did I mention that only the host needs to install this mod and other players can just join and immediately wear what they want. Now the next one on the list is Late Company. This mod is pretty simple in a way, but really enhances the overall experience because what it does is that it allows players to join into your lobby even when the game has started. A pretty popular mod as well, and I can see clearly why. The last one on the list is the Item Quick Switch mod. This mod allows you to use your keyboard to access your items that is within your inventory at a press of a button. If you are familiar with other first-person shooter games, this mod should be a no-brainer for you. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.